Here's the table all assembled, and it is a gorgeous table. I think this would be a very useful table. You've got storage underneath, and of course you got a nice big top to set things on. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Zinus Dane 20-inch black frame side table with a storage basket, and this is how it comes to you. Here are the contents of the box all laid out, and I will say this about Zinus, their packaging is always fantastic. Here's the table all assembled, and it is a gorgeous table, and it probably took me 10 minutes or less to put it together. Let me give you some close-ups on it. Very good looking table. Now this is that manufactured, that engineered wood. It's solid, but it is that engineered wood. The black frame around it, I'm assuming that is powder coating. It looks very nice. And of course, underneath you have that basket for all kinds of storage. Now that basket is in there with screws, so it's not removable. So just so you'll know that. It is a very good looking table, I think, in my opinion. Let's do some real world measurements. So it is 20 inches wide by 18.5 inches depth, and the height is 20 inches. I think that you would discover that this little table would look great in just about any room in your home. So if you're looking at this table, I hope you found this video helpful.